This tutorial will show you how to create text within a shape. First, I went to Google Images and I found an image that was larger than 8 MP, a dog, a Shar-Pei, our newest member of our family. I saved that onto my desktop and then loaded it from my desktop into Design Space. After creating a new project in Design Space, I wrote the text I was going to use, Maui, M-A-U-I, and knew I needed a heavy type for that. So I headed over to dafont.com, checked out some chunky type, and settled on Chunk 5X. Okay, now that I have my new project, I created my text again with the chunky 5X and ungrouped it with the lower left lock, and then changed the color of the type so I could see it better, and started dragging it lengthwise and widthwise and using the letter spacing to get the letters a little closer together, just manipulating that text a little bit. Then I relocked it and went into weld to weld those letters together. Then I attached both images and sliced. In your layers panel, you can now see which part of that image you want to delete and which part you want to keep for the shape. Once you have it back in Design Space and it's unlocked, you can still manipulate the image to the size you want. And then when you're ready to make it, you just make it and it will sort it onto the mats. As with all HTV, don't forget to mirror it. This is really important. And now you're ready to cut. Alrighty, we're continuing with our word inside of a shape tutorial. There's my ruler. So I'm just going to pre-press it to take the moisture and the wrinkles out. We have a new dog in the family, and her name is Maui. So this is going to be the word in the shape of Maui. So I'm going to put this one down first. I'm only going to press this for a few seconds because I'm going to press it again. She was the only one of only 10 gray Shar-Peis in the country. And we had to go to Michigan to get her. Not we, my son had to go to Michigan to get her. Okay, there's the first layer. And then this is her name. Her name is Maui because that's where they went on their honeymoon. Okay, this is the next part. We're going to put this down. Press for another few seconds. This is 1, 2, 3 flex, so you actually only have to press for like 3 seconds. And now we're just going to give it one more until we see the grain come through. Just going to let that cool off just a little bit. There's the Shar-Pei with Maui on it. Bye, guys. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell so you'll be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks, everyone.